So we're back at the farm after Mother's Day. Went and wished my mama happy Mother's Day. Went out to lunch with the brother, sister-in-law and niece and my mother. Thank you very much, guys. Loved it. The boy, well, he had to stay at home. Not allowed in the pub. Not allowed in the bistro. Oh, let's get over this. Now, so it's been raining. In fact, it's still a little bit rainy. So I thought I'd go. Now, the neighbour rang me while I was away. Liam, nice bloke, said, heaps of pigs coming out of your place, Cliff. I said, shit, I have to get on to that. So apparently there was 23 or 25 or something. I still haven't seen them, eh? So I'm going to go and have a look. It's very wet. It's very wet. It's sort of misting. If you know what misting rain is, it's just when you're standing still you don't really feel it, but when you're riding a motorbike or whatever, you sort of feel it a bit. It's a bit wet. So what I thought I'd do is look for an area. I might go down and get those trail cams from the dam and see if they've shown up down there. What do you think? Good idea? Or no good idea? Haven't been out very long, only 4 or 5 days, and I might go down this side track up here, which is going to be the side fence to the goat paddock when I get back to it, and have a look. You're a bit cold, big fella, you're a bit shaky. Have a look and see if there's any tracks down here. I have seen them down, the tracks down here before. I'm going to bring Vader back through here, and I've got to tidy it up, do some back dragging with the blade and what have you. Oh. Brand new grass tree coming up. No piggies. Can't even see any other tracks, but then it has been raining, so all the tracks sort of get white. Oh, this is really unlevel, not level. Horrible even. Haven't done a very good job down through here. Smell the roos down here, but oh, very strong, very, very strong. Yeah. Mate, there's no tracks down this way, is there? Hey, none. And I don't really want to go out there, it's all wet grass. Hang on, stay, don't jump off. I don't want to go out there. I haven't mowed. All wet grass. I'll end up with wet feet. I don't want wet feet. Yep. That's a little bit steep. Mr. Quaddy doesn't like that. Might have to do an 18-point turn. There you go, only 5-point turn. Oh, I gotta watch this big stump here that I didn't take out properly. Oh, log. Yeah, so goat paddock that side. Plenty of grass. Oh, are you right, mate? Even this side, look at all the grass in there. Oh, it's such a beautiful smell. See the pine trees? When they get wet, they smell find my iPhone. What with? Oh, look at him. Don't fall off. You be careful, big fella. You be careful. Yeah. You be careful. Hey? We go away for a couple of days and you've lost your riding capability. Mind you, it's a very bumpy track, isn't it, big fella? Hey? Very bumpy track. Should probably bring the tractor down here. And drag it. Dig out all these stumps. That's a Vader job, isn't it? Digging out stumps. Isn't it, big fella? Hey? Isn't it? Yeah. You go down to the dam and have a look. I think we should. Because that's where the last time I saw any pig prints was down there. Well, I never saw any there. So let's see what's on this track. What can you smell, big fella? Dirty pigs. Dirty, yucky, horrible pigs that need a bullet in the side of the head. Now, Liam told me he came across 2 sows. He ran over one with his quad bike, and he thought he'd killed it. Anyway, he ran after the other one and killed the other one. Went back to his quad bike and the other one had got up and got away. So I won't be running over any piggies in my quad bike. Oh dear. Besides, I got no sharp implements to assist with the dispatching of said pig. I don't really want to dispatch anything, but pigs really root up your whole property. Not that my property's not rooted already. I mean, not dirty and needs cleaning anyway, but yeah, can you see them? Hey? At least there's no dust, isn't there? There's no dust. 3 o'clock in the afternoon and it's nearly dark. We've had nearly half an inch of rain over 2 days, and the last time it rained we had 6 mil, and the water was halfway up the ball cock that goes into the tank, so I couldn't pump water out of the tank anyway. Hang on a second, big fella, I think I saw some tracks. Let's double back. No, just a stick. Sorry. Sticks are not tracks. Are they, big fella? They're just not. Anyway. Oh. I think I got a prickle in my shorts. And I think the dog gave it to me. And it's digging into me little tushy tush, and it's awful. You're a horrible dog. You know that, don't you? You've given me a prickle. Damn. Not nice riding on a motorbike with a prickle in your butt. Oh. Where did you get that prickle from? When you were running around before? Awful dog. Well, I don't feel mean about making you run the other day. Now, after giving me that, what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? Nothing at the dam. It's as quiet as... Oh, there's my 2 little grebes out in the middle. There's the 2 little white things out there. They're not ducks, they're grebes. Stay, don't hop off. Ooh. I found that prickle. some muck there. Some more around there. Down the end. I don't want him to get wet. So I'm going to leave the cans there. There's not a real lot of action. There's a little bit, but not much. Oh. You know, you're a horrible dog. That prickle is really digging into me. Anyway, let's go and have a look and see what the dogs have been up to, the puppies, the dingoes, see if there's any tracks up here, because if there are, that means they've only just gone in. They've only just been done, because it's been raining. Isn't it pretty down here? It's pretty dense, but the smell of these pines, oh, just overwhelming. Beautiful. Oh, look out, there's a dog. So there might be a dingo, or we might actually see a dingo. I hope we don't, because I don't have anything sharp with me. And I don't have the boomstick. Yeah, look. Lots of puppy prints. I don't have a camera up this end at the minute. Oh, there's one there. Wallaby print. It's only new. Stay on, don't fall off. Alright, look, see? Wallaby. And it's only just come through here. Little ones. The little brown ones, I'd say, not the grey ones. Very quick they are. You wouldn't see them. They just blend in, and that's their camouflage is just out of this world, and that's why they can hide from dingoes and stuff. Not all the time, because obviously the dingoes wouldn't be here if they didn't catch the odd one. But around here somewhere. Ooh, that was tough. Honey ant lions here. Oh, there's a wallaby. Some of these might be sunnies. Hey Sonny, you're a bit of an extrovert when it comes to peeing up here. Off we go, quick, go and pee everywhere. See, straight up. Oh, he says, look out, there's something here. Oh, is there? Is there something there? Well, come on. Yep. I don't want you to get bitten. Yep. Good boy. So they could be just hiding in there. You would never see them. Look how thick that is. There's little tunnels run through there. Now Sonny would never know the tunnels, but they would. I don't know, see? Could be anywhere. Anywhere. So flat. Hey? Beautiful, isn't it, big fella? Hey? No trees down, that's a good thing. I just saw some, when I was back home, I saw some kookaburras picking up little lizards, and there's some itchy grubs. Now, if you're in Australia, itchy grubs are a caterpillar that are about 2 inches long and about 5/8, no, 3 3/8. 3/8 of an inch round. And they're covered in hair. Long hair. And sometimes they get in a bit of a trail and they follow each other. And if you bend the first one around and put him onto the back of the last one, they'll go round and round and round in circles for a long time. And we call them itchy grubs because if you touch them on your skin, you get itchy because of the long hairs, see? Digs into your skin a bit, gives you a bit of an itch. Well, Sonny, you know, it's raining now. It's good fun out here in the rain, isn't it? On the property. We really haven't been out here when it's been raining, have we? No, never. So, this is the first time Sonny and I have been out here and it's literally coming down. I'm going to pull up under a tree up here. Woo! Doggy, that's getting wet. Not under that tree. That tree looks like it's just about ready to fall over and kill everyone. Alright. Because in Australia, the trees kill you as well. There are trees, especially, if I see one, that one there, oh no, that's a stringy bark, but there's some ghost gum. There's one, that one there. Well, if you go camping and you camp under one of them, you may not wake up in the morning because the tree might drop a limb on you and kill you. I am dead serious about that. That is dead set true. It's happened many, many, many times. Now this is a stringy bark. All these are stringy barks. So I can pull up under here. Oh, now it's not raining on me. But you can see, oh, you probably can't see. Hey, don't go in the water. No, come on up. Yep. I thought you might just want to go and do some weeds around. Tease the puppies. Hey, don't go in the water. I just thought I'd give you a couple of seconds of quiet. Yeah, that's a stringy bark, that one. And so is that. And you can see why they call it a stringy bark, because the bark falls off in like string cheese type stuff. I think it was called a stringy bark before string cheese was invented, but you know. All right, yep. Thank you. All right. It stopped raining a bit. So we will continue. So yeah, so if you sleep under what's called a ghost gum, and there's some other gum trees as well, they have they look live, they look like they're perfectly good trees, and in the morning they've got a big limb sitting on your tent. And it's not, it literally has killed, I don't know, probably two or three people a year, trees killed. So that might be I don't know, maybe that is true, maybe it's more than that, I don't know. But I have seen it on the news where a family has died because, you know, a tree limb. See, that's them over there, they're ghost gums over there. Or are they spotted gums? They might be spotted gums. I think they do the same thing, I'm not sure. So yeah, if you come to Australia, don't sleep underneath a pure white gum tree or a light grey gum tree. Yeah, don't do that. Although usually take him for a walk because there's rules in the place. It's like, how can I put it? The place where my mum lives, there's rules about sizes of dogs and what have you. And he's a little bit big. But so far, people are saying he's okay because he doesn't bark and he's well managed and well trained. So I like that. Got to keep on top of him, but don't I, big fella? Hey, you like to bark at the old blokes when they walk around. Yeah, so that's one thing you're not allowed to do there. You're not allowed to have barking dogs. But dogs bark, so I don't know how they ever going to stop that. It's raining again, isn't it? We didn't get very far, did we? But we need to fill our tank up. It's probably got about 3,000 litres in it now. It's about 6 inches above the little valve. So this week I'll have to go into town and buy some parts so I can hook the well, it all depends on how much rain we get. I don't want to change everything over so that I hook up to that tank instead of the other tank while I'm living in the caravan still. While I get the furniture out of the containers and get it put into the shed. It's going to be a pain in the, well, where the prickle is at the minute. Anyway, all right, so that's a ride in the rain. Oh my goodness. It's filling up, people. It's filling up. It's 25,000 litre. Or what's 25,000 litre? I think that's about 12,000 gallons. 12,500 gallons, I think. I'm trying to do the math in my head. I might be failing. Well, there, big fella. Hop off now. Thank you. Gee, you're a good boy. Aren't you? Hey, did we go somewhere? Did we run over a scent? He's smelling the tyres. It's like we ran over something that had a scent, and now he's trying to smell the tyres. Anyway, catch you later. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, ring the little bell for notifications. You know, the whole YouTubey thing. Have fun. Love yous. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Ring the little bell for notifications. See you next time.